Chart patterns. How important are they in the stock market? Gotta say, a lot of people talk about candlesticks and they talk about different moving averages and all these things, but do you look at the chart patterns? Well. Chart patterns are more important than you think. They're actually an excellent indicator to use if you want to identify trends in the market. My personal favorite, the head and shoulders. I love the head and shoulders. The head and shoulders pays off every time. I also love the flag pattern, the pennant, and the double top, triple top, double bottom, triple bottom. They all pay off, right? You can look at the candles, but if you can identify a good chart pattern, wow, you can pick something up in the market so quickly and you won't believe how much money it'll make you. That's quite incredible. Hey, it's Rob Guilty, it's logical trading, and 80% of traders lose money. Trading's risky, and if you don't like losing money, don't trade. Anyway, the chart patterns that are most identifiable and that are most used, and the ones I prefer to use most of the time in the market, effectively, are the head and shoulders, the flag pattern pennant, and the double top, double bottom, triple bottom scenarios. The inverse head and shoulders and the head and shoulders both ways are my favorite, my absolute favorite. And the reason I'm making this video today is because I've identified that there's a possible head and shoulders developing at the top of the index markets in many cases. Now, how does the head and shoulders work? Well, you get a small shoulder on the left, a big head in the middle, and a little head shoulder on the right. And what you do is you take the distance of the head in the middle and you measure that down from its bottom part, and you'll get the distance that the price will probably move down. That said, the right shoulder does have to break below the price line, and then you've got a head and shoulders developed. And the head and shoulders, man, 90% of the time it actually plays out. Now, I'm not a big one for indicators and that sort of thing, but I love chart patterns, because chart patterns, you can see them developing. They sort of develop into a picture in front of you, and when you see them, you can identify them almost immediately, and you can actually see them developing. Hey guys, if you want to see a trade every day, go check out my blog here. 10-15 seconds of your time, nothing more. Visit the secret blog. Free trade on there every day, which I post totally free. Guys, it's not financial advice, just a trading idea. On the blog as well, you'll see on the left, little PDF, free Forex book, my gift to you, asking nothing for it. But enjoy the trade every day. It's always nice to know what everybody else is doing, isn't it? Now that you've seen the blog, use it, but remember, it's just an idea. It's just to help you out here and there. Now the flag pattern is also a really interesting pattern. I love the flag pattern because you get a price that runs up almost like a lamp pole formation. Lamp pole formation is another pattern to identify for yourself. Go and have a look at these patterns, guys. They're all over the internet. They'll show you what they're about. Now the flag pattern goes up, and then you get a little pattern on the side, and it normally continues. It continues on up. So the flag pattern is a lovely little pattern to identify. So this week I've been looking at the DAX, and the DAX with its long run up almost looked like a huge flag pattern. But then I'm also starting to see the possibility of a head and shoulders developing. So now you're in a kind of a quandary. Which one do I pick? And that's the thing about trading, guys. I always say trading's a 50-50 game. You either win 50 times or you lose 50 times, and that's just the way it goes. That's how the market works, eh? But the head and shoulders, I'm seeing head and shoulders everywhere, so keep your eyes open, guys, because that head and shoulders could be the correction we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for this correction, and hopefully we're getting this correction, and that'll be great for us. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the next video out. Till next time, guys. Bye.